Hi guys. So in this video I am going to tell you about the importance of content writing in a different concept. So let me tell you in the short way what are the benefits of content writing. Like content writing helps us to earn money, fame, branding, and a lot of different things, right? So writing content have different kinds of tools. Today I am going to share you the different entirely unique concept. Like how about do you think writing content with emotions? Did you think anytime whether they impact each other, whether they impact in the content writing? Yes, it will. It is no secret that the content writing should evoke emotions in the reader. The more emotions evoked by the reader, the more likely the kind of client can engage with the content, or reader can engage with the content. So Google also loves these things. Google ranks the articles with a higher emotional content impact. So writing content with the higher emotions will be lot more benefited. Well, emotions also, why? Because you must need to know the reason, right? Well, emotions also what makes us human. They are inbuilt within us, right? They are what connect us to each another, and they are the drivers to take an action. In copywriting also, emotions play a huge important role as it resonates with us in an emotional level. We are more likely to share it, engage with it, and even buy from it. This is what our copywriters do in terms of sales. They drive our emotions to bring into their sales. So if you want your content to rank higher on Google and reach more people, make sure it has a lot of emotional things. It adds emotional value to the reader, even whether it is inspiration or a motivation or a sales, anything or valuable content. So the content with emotional things will ranking by the Google easily. SEO is also important for ranking in the Google as it looks quality content with the rankings for the websites. Content also be well written and engaged in order to rank in Google. So the content must be having relevant keywords to perform the SEO, like on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and keywords also plays an important role in ranking an article. And moreover, you need to write a plagiarism free article. If you don't write a plagiarism free article, it has been a copyright and it can be infringement. So by qualifying all these features like plagiarism free, SEO keywords SEO keyword related content, and emotion related content, I'm going to share a tool, beautiful tool, wonderful tool, in the next video which performs all these things. So stay tuned.